Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kondisi di kawasan desa Ikualu, Penada Bireuen. Air rumah kita jalan.
Hello, good evening, Tribuners. Welcome back with me, Mutiara, in Indonesian News of Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here are the complete news. The first news is the action of people with mental disorders rampaging on the roofs houses. Jambi residents were shocked by the action of people with mental disorder or ODGG who went on a rampage to break through the roofs of their houses. The video of a person with a mental disorder going berserk was shared by Tribun Jambi Facebook account on Tuesday, the 19th of January 2023. In a video that has been shared, it can be seen that resident and civil service police unit are overwhelmed to evacuate people with mental disorders. As a result, the house, which is located in the Village 5, Kota Baru Jambi, has become a spectacle for the resident. Quoted from Tribun Jambi, a person with a mental disorder with the initial IY went berserk and destroyed resident house on Thursday, January 19, 2023. Without wearing clothes, this person with mental disorder went berserk until he destroyed his parents' house and climbed onto the roof of resident houses. The information obtained, IY has been locked up in the cage inside the house. As a result of this incident, the condition in the house of a person with mental disorder was badly damaged and the roof was in broken condition. Landslide and subsidence in Calogan Village are getting worse. Landslide and subsidence on Route Arjuna, Calogan Village, East Unggaran District, Semarang Regency, appear to be getting worse. From the monitoring of tribunjateng.com on Monday, the 16th of January 2023, almost the entire width of route has now been lost due to an avalanche of more than 50 meters with a length of about 200 meters. The provincial route, which is also the link between Semarang Regency and the mark, is on the edge of cliff and the ground is moving, so it becomes a landslide prone point. There have been several landslides there. Previously, on the land and crossroads, a landslide occurred in February 2022. Half of the route width has subsided about 2 meters deep, and the rest of the road is still passable by motorbikes. Then gradually and slowly, the other part overtook the slide. Now almost all of them are landslide and the breaks are getting longer. Police officer in Maluku persecute truck drivers. First Inspector Thomas Keliombar was finally secured at the Maluku Regional Police Mobile Brigade Detention House. Keliombar's detention for hitting a water truck driver in the road area, a YPT, right in front of Your Koto restaurant. The action was recorded by local residents and went viral on social media. Responding to this, the head of public relations of the Maluku Regional Police, Rom Ohoirat, confirmed the incident. Maluku Regional Police Chief Inspector General Lotaria Latif also ordered the provision and security to secure Keliombar. He continued, Thomas Keliombar was also currently in the administrative process of issuing a disrespectful dismissal from the Indonesian National Police for the persecution case in the previous year. Hundreds of Bireuen residents were displaced by the floods. Hundreds of Bireuen residents from 5 sub-districts have fled because their homes have been flooded since Saturday, 21st of January 2023 until 5 p.m. On Saturday, the 21st of January 2023, it was still raining heavily in various sub-districts. Head of the Bireuen Regional Disaster Management Agency Papua DPA, Chuk Pustelovs PB Teams A and BM Rakjeb SA, told Serambi-News.com that heavy rain and strong winds hit the Bireuen area from Friday 21st of January to Saturday the 21st of January, resulted in flooding in 7 districts with a water level of 30 centimeters to 1 meter more. Several rivers also overflowed and about 600 people have left because their houses were flooded. Rakjeb detailed that the sub-districts that experienced temporary dada flooding were Peudada, Peulimba, Jenip, Simpang Mamplang, Samalanga, Cempedak, and Kota Chua. Temporary data that was just obtained from 5 sub-districts where residents were forced to flee from a number of villages in Jenip, namely from Blang Railway Village as many as 270 people, Utan Pupale 100 people, Lampung 15 people, and a number of other villages forced to flee to Meunasa. Chinese New Year celebration in Manokwari, Papua. The smell of burnt incense spread around the Prabha Buddhist temple Manokwari, West Papua when Buddhists pray on Chinese New Year on Sunday, the 22nd of January 2023. The prayer begins at 9:30 a.m. The red lanterns that hang from the sky of the temple match the colors of the clothes of the Buddhists attending the Concili 2574 New Year's prayer. Meanwhile, on the other side of the vihara, you can see 12 native Papuan youths in their teens to 20 years old wearing lion dance costume and warming up. After the prayer, which lasted about 45 minutes, Yabes Membraku and 11 of his friends began to perform at the Prabha Manokwari Buddhist Monastery. There are 3 lion dances performed, with each lion being played by 2 people. Meanwhile, 4 people play drums, cymbals, congas, and drums. The next news is, the Wonosobo Sapuran market was immediately occupied by traders. The Wonosobo Sapuran market, which has been built since 2017, has been complete and it's immediately occupied by traders. After the fire incident at the Sapuran Shelter Market on Wednesday, the 18th of January 2023, traders want to immediately occupy the new Sapuran Market building. Even though the exact date of Sapuran Market, which has just begun to be occupied by traders, is unknown, the region of Wonosobo will also discuss this matter. Meanwhile, the head of the Wonosobo Trade Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprises Service, Bakyo Sarastono, said that the preparation for traders to enter the Sapuran Market were only about 19%. According to the chairman of the Sapuran Market Association, Suharyono, the total number of Sapuran Market traders is around 1,500 traders. With this number of traders, Kadin Bakyo said that Sapuran Market would be able to accommodate all existing traders. The last news is, Cempedak skin is a side dish for eating in Banjar. If in general the Cempedak fruit is only consumed for the flesh in South Kalimantan in general, it is more than that. As told by Mama Lisa, a Cempedak seller in the Keraton market area, Rantau City, Tapin Regency, not only does it sell Cempedak in its entire form, it also sells it separately, such as mendai, the part of the Cempedak skin that has been cleaned, the contents of the Cempedak to the seed of the Cempedak. While cleaning the scene of the Cempedak, Mama Lisa said that 1 kilogram of full Cempedak was sold for 20,000. Whereas Mandai is priced at 35,000 for 1 kilogram, 20,000 for Cempedak meat, and 5,000 for 1 measure of Cempedak seeds. Cempedak seed is sold at a higher price because there is a cleaning process using a paring knife. In addition, the people who are interested in Mandai with various processed side dishes are also quite high. This allows it to be sold separately. Well, I think those all the news for today with me, Mutiara. Don't forget to follow us in YouTube Tribun Lampung News Video, Facebook Tribun Lampung, Instagram @Tribun Lampung, and TikTok @Tribun Lampung for further information. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.